Well, I'm fascinated about the whole cross-media story world building, the whole idea of how the story can expand on different medias and games, and basically world building is what interests me, so it's a good opportunity to learn more about that.
We basically learn more about how to take the story to different platforms and how to work for different platforms on one project so that could serve the audience, and how to build your audience, how to make it stronger, and then and also we had a certain look at the sources of revenue. How can you generate? How can transmedia help you generating more revenues, and how can we achieve this? So it was really helpful.
I didn't know that much about Transformatlab before the lab, but my university prompted me to apply for the program, and I guess I just wanted to broaden my horizons because I seen from the description of the program that this will be some stuff I never did before, and it could be useful in the future.
Well, I mean, I'm into transmedia for the past year or so. So basically, I want to explore opportunities, and I'm willing to do a great job and to develop a great project.
I don't really think about who is interested in what I'm going to do, where I'm going to find the money to do it, and all those things. And we learned a lot about this, so I'm going to apply this to my future projects. And since I'm also working in a company, I'll do the same than you. Like, I'll speak about this, and we will probably apply it to our new stuff.
The good thing with the Transformatlab, at the beginning we were 9, coming from a lot of country, a lot of different cities, a lot of background, and now we are we are a group. We are just one group, and it's a good thing. We have 3 projects, 3 amazing projects. They are all of them are good potential, very good potential, and I think it's a very beautiful story, and maybe we will make a book of it. I think we can do that.
First and foremost, it was an immense learning experience. The experience that to work in a team with people I have seen for the first time, and in a time span of 2 months, it was 3. So it was really interesting how to get a group of people up and running as a creative group, working together, doling out the roles, finding your role in the team. And besides that, we had get to meet very experienced people during the project, and I heard a lot of stuff I could use in my professional work in the future. So yeah, mostly learning.
Probably it has been the summer of my life. Thank you, this training program. I have been traveling around Europe, studying in different universities and knowing what is the transmedia. I had the chance to work and collaborate on a project with people from different areas, and that was really good because we mixed very good ideas. And then it has been a good opportunity to have networking with producers. Probably we will be in touch with them to to collaborate in future projects.
I met some great people from all type of skills and specialty. Some people from business, from project management, design, management, and we built some great projects together. And I hope that it can be something that we can develop further, and that we will also maybe collaborate together for other projects.
I think it's Paris was a great experience, going to a very famous school, the Gobelins, and where animation students study and they end up working in Hollywood. And we had pitches for industry people there with some great feedbacks, which we could use to develop our projects. But also, I could say to every single location we went to, in Hungary as well. There's also the tutors and how they contributed to our projects. And great food everywhere. We went to restaurants and pubs, and we had some, what do you call it? Sitting around the fire, there's some cooking and drinking. It's very enjoyable experience.
We've been traveling a lot, and so we meet different people with different cultures and different knowledge, and it was really interesting because they teach us a lot. I mostly know apps, and I've met people from so many backgrounds, so I hope I will be able to add this to my work, my future work, and I'm really happy to that Transformatlab taught me, so that was great.
Developing new ideas and the extent where it goes, it's just amazing. I'm really interesting experience. The whole overview of the creative industries that we got is just really valuable, really. I don't think I could have got such an overview with anything else.
For me, as a writer, I've learned a new way of thinking. I don't have to think about budgets that much. In terms like when you do television, you have to be really conscientious of what you can do with the story in terms of finance. But here, with a 100,000, you can put people to space. So that's a great thing. And I think a good thing about this lab has been meeting interesting people. The contacts have been great, and our group's really great.
If I may say just one more thing on behalf of everybody, I think the organization of this whole program, it was brilliant, and really we are really thankful for everybody who's involved or were involved from all the countries, but especially Hannah, who spent enormous amount of time to organize this program so that for everybody's satisfaction, and it was perfect. So it's just a big thank you to her.